Hi, this is Sunny from AoZhen factory of China. Yes, we are in China now. If you know Chinese, that you will know that red Chinese means AoZhen factory. We have specialized in video screen, advertising screen, monitors for 13 years. If you are interested in our factory, please follow my step. Let's explore what's inside. Follow me, please. This is the second floor. Come in, please. This is our reception area. There are 6 pieces, 15.5-inch video wall on the wall. And usually we put a welcome message on it if our customer comes. And if you need this video wall screen, please contact with me. I will send you as soon as possible. This way, please. This is our sales department for domestic business. There are people for the sales, there are people for the service, and the people for the management team. This is the 4th floor. This way, please. Come in, please. Yes, it's our showroom. And there are so many advertising screens here, right? You can see this screen, this advertising screen. This is our double-sided hanging advertising screen. This way, please. This is temperature measure plate, thermal imaging. And this is our wall-mounted advertising screen. And that is the self-service kiosks. Come in here, come here, please. This is also our self-service kiosks. It is widely used in the government. Come here, please. This is a 43-inch ultra narrow side advertising screen. I have uploaded them on the website. You can see the detailed information on our website. If you need, please contact with me. 43 ultra narrow side advertising screen. Come here, please. This is also double-sided hanging advertising screen. This is wall-mounted advertising screen too. This screen is very slim, right? Very beautiful. It is very popular now. Come here, please. Allow me to introduce our foreign chain department to you. Come in, please. This is our foreign chain department. And we have sold the advertising screens to the Japanese customer. And we got the good review from our Japanese customers. We cherish our customers, and we can supply you with a competitive factory price and supply you in small MOQ. Welcome to contact with me. We will send you all the things, all the advertising screens you like to you. This is my seat. I usually sit here to work every day. You can see this is our foreign chain department. Then next, allow me to introduce the workshop to you. Let's go. This is our 3rd floor. Come in, please. This way, please. This is our workshop. Very huge, not small, right? Very huge, right? This is our production office. Come in, please. And all the people here are related to the production, like the people who control the material, like the people who make the production place. Okay, let's don't bother them too much. Let's go. This way, please. This way, please. Come here, please. We can see this is a self-service kiosk. It is widely used in the government. You can put your card in here, and it can send you the report. From the report, you can check the cost for the water, and check the cost for the electricity, and also check the cost for your mobile phones. Very useful, right? This way, please. Let me find some honeycomb boxes for you. Look at these honeycomb boxes. Very strong, right? It is very strong. It is much stronger than the normal cartons. So it is good for the transportation out of China. So there is no need for you to worry about if your screen will be broken during the transportation. It is very good for the transportation out of China. And we use the honeycomb boxes for our distributors, retailers, all the customers. This way, please. Allow me to introduce another department for you. That is the quality control department. Come in, please. This way, please. This is our quality control department. For quality control system, we are doing carefully, strict, and seriously. All of our products must pass strict inspection before they go out. No matter QC, IQC, IPQC, or QA, we all have specialized the person. Okay, let's go to another department. The next department I want to introduce is the aging test room. This is another department I want to show you. That is the aging test room. Why we need such an aging test room? For the reason the temperature in it is very high, and we can test the machine to find out if it can work very well, even though in high temperature. We need to ensure the products can work very well, no matter in high temperature or cold temperature or normal temperature. All the screens come from AoZhen. We will do 48 hours aging test before they go out. Everything is fine, everything is perfect. Then we send it to you. Okay, let's go to another department, another area. Let's feel beside the window. You can see there are people doing the job inside. This is our dust-free workshop. What's the thing we do? Usually, we put the touch screen together. You know, touch screen, we need to do it carefully. Just to say, this is a place where we need to do the job carefully. You can see the people inside are doing the job carefully and seriously, right? Let's go to there. Look at that door. That is the door for the dust-free workshop. If you want to go into it, maybe there is a need for us to change our coats and shoes. You know, it is not convenient for us to do this. So let's go to another area. This is a small area, but very important. Why? Because it is a place where my colleagues do the after-sale service for the domestic business. You know, in China, the transportation fee sent back to us is in a good price. Do not like international. Come here, please. You can see our colleagues is doing the job now. But how we do the international after-sale service? First, our engineer will online help our customer to solve the problem. Then we will guide our customer to solve the problem. And our warranty time is 1 year. But we can also offer 2 or 3 years, just according to your requirements. Usually, we don't put the repairing products on the production line. Why? Because the production line is just for the mass production. If we put 1 or 2 of units on them, it will slow down the speed, you know. Okay, let's don't bother them too much. Let's go. Let's go to another department. Let's go to another department. Take care. This is a warehouse. This is a warehouse for the packages, you can see. We can see there are so many package boxes in the warehouse, right? So many package boxes. Okay, let's don't bother them too much. And let's go to another warehouse. Yes, this is a finished products warehouse. You can see the English. Come here, please. Quite a huge warehouse, right? Quite a big place. Why we need such a huge warehouse? The first reason for our products is so big. I mean the package is so big. And another reason is for sometimes our customers can't pick up the cargoes in time. So we must put the products in our warehouse for a little while, you know. I think it is very easy to understand, right? Let's go to another department. That is the engineer department. Let's go. Let me open the door. Come here, please. This is our engineer department. You can see the English. Come in, please. This is our engineer supervisor, Mr. Stowe. Come here, please. Come here to look at what he is doing. Yes, he is making the structures now. You know, different customer has different requirements for the solutions. Maybe for the customer, they think it's a small change. But for our engineer, they need to remake the whole structures. So everything is not easy, right? Let's go. Let's don't bother them too much. Let's go. Come here, please. Let's go to the reception area. This is a brief introduction of our factory. I really hope that coronavirus can go through very soon and everything back to normal. At that time, welcome to our factory. I'm waiting here for you. Thank you for seeing my video. That's all. Thank you.